On you?
Why are you standing on the property?
Okay.
Don't ask me for my ID.
Obviously, you can see this
Listen,
Abbott's construction
get off
thing.
the
I don't
property.
see an Abbott's construction
Get
on
off
your
the
car.
property, please.
Okay. Are you
Get off the
owner?
property.
Are you
Off the property.
owner?
One thing about police officers, folks, is they think they're in control. What I like about this video right here is this man absolutely takes control of this encounter from beginning to end. He understands his property rights, folks. And this is some of the things that many of you need to understand as well. You have rights. Police officers and the government don't give you those rights. Furthermore, the Constitution was written to limit the scope of authority that these public officials have over you. That's why it's important to learn it, especially the First Amendment. Check out this video from Dirty Wax 129. Go subscribe. Let them know San Joaquin sent you. Know your rights, folks. Here we go.
Off the property.
Okay. I am asking you, are you the property
I'm walking away from you.
That's fine.
Yeah. It's damn well fine. You can't even be up here. Get off the property. Get off the property. How do you know I'm driving it, sir? Look, you don't see tire tracks, do you? Listen, don't come on the property. Get off the property. Get off the property. I don't care about the license plate. Get off the property, please.
What I'm telling you is
Get off the property, please.
Okay. So,
Listen,
as I'm
I
telling
don't
you,
care. I don't have to.
Officer Cotton with the
Listen,
Weaver
listen,
Police
listen,
Department,
listen,
I am
listen,
telling you
listen. No,
that
listen, listen,
your
listen.
neighbor
No, 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 no,
somebody
no,
has
no.
called
I
you.
don't have to listen to you, and I don't have to
Don't
talk to
stand
you.
here in my face and listen
I
to me.
don't have to
That's fine.
talk to you either.
I'm not telling you. You
Okay,
have to
okay,
talk to me.
okay. Second thing, you're harassing me now.
I'm not
I've
harassing
asked you to get off the property how many times?
Well, I'm
Stand
trying
on
to
the sidewalk.
establish your-
Give me some
your
respect and
position
stand
with
on the
this.
sidewalk, please.
Okay. If I
Give me
stand on
some
the sidewalk,
respect
will you
and get
stand
on
here
the
and talk to me?
sidewalk. Yes.
Let's do that.
Thank you. You start by not breaking my rights, okay?
Okay.
That's where you
So,
start.
Are you
That's,
the owner of
listen,
this property?
listen, I don't have to answer your questions.
Okay.
Stop asking me questions. You understand? Who called you and why are you here?
So neighbors called. They're concerned
Thank
about
you.
the work being done on this property.
Okay,
why
that's
I'm
none of their
here.
business, but keep going.
Okay.
Is that against
Are
the
you-
law?
Are you part of Abbott's?
Listen, is that
Nothing.
against the law?
It is if you're not supposed to be on this property.
Police interaction videos are sweeping the internet because they're extremely important. A lot of times we find ourselves scrolling around through YouTube trying to find something good to watch. Well, folks, you don't need to scroll anymore. You found your home for entertainment and education. Know your rights. Always record the police. Don't forget that it's their word against yours. Hopefully when you go to court, you have more than just your word, because the judge and jury always go with what the police officers say. Keep that in mind. If you have any videos that you want us to look at, send them to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll take a look at it. Let us know if you'd like to stay anonymous. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.